Hello everyone, it's Julia here from Inflorescence Designs. Today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a drink cozy using Thermoweb's liquid vinyl. A list of all the materials can be found on the blog. The link is in the description below. So let's begin. Start by cutting out the fabric according to the pattern and size of cozy you want. This pattern gives you the option of a regular can size, as well as the new slim cans. Next, mark and trim out the bottom corners of your main fabric and lining. Repeat the same process for the fusible fleece. What I love about these can cozies is that they keep your hand from getting cold, and they also work great as a way to distinguish your can from the next at a party. Next, adhere the fusible fleece to the outer main fabric on the wrong side. Now it's time to apply HeatnBond's liquid vinyl. Apply HeatnBond liquid vinyl to both the outer and lining fabrics, right side facing up. Protect your workspace with a non-stick surface, such as HeatnBond pressing paper, parchment paper, or a silicone craft mat. You will want to paint on a thin layer of liquid vinyl using a soft bristled paintbrush or foam brush. Let the fabric dry for 30 to 45 minutes. Once your fabric is dry, preheat your iron to a medium heat, no steam. Place the fabric on top of parchment paper or nonstick pressing sheet or a firm heat-proof surface and cover with HeatnBond pressing paper. Press for 45 seconds, moving the iron slightly. You would repeat the process as stated before if you were applying more coats. For this project though, we're only applying one coat of liquid vinyl. Next, we're going to sew. Place the outer fabric pieces right side together and sew along both sides and bottom using a 1/4 inch seam. For the lining, place your pieces right side together and sew along completely one side and the bottom. On the other side, leave a small opening for turning. Both the main outer fabric and lining are sewn using a 1/4 inch seam. Next, we need to sew the box corners. Begin by pinching the open corners together. Sew a 1/4 inch seam to close these corners. Once your box corners have been sewn, you will need to turn the outer fabric right side out. Then, insert the outer fabric into the lining fabric and align the side seams. Going very slowly, sew a 1/4 inch seam along the entire top of the can cozy. Once done sewing, turn the can cozy right side out through the opening in the lining. Then, sew the lining closed, either by hand stitching or using your sewing machine. Once the opening is closed, stuff the lining into the outer fabric. Finish your can cozy by slowly top stitching around the top. Now you can enjoy your new can cozy. This project is a great scrap buster. An important note to take is that the addition of Thermoweb's liquid vinyl helps with the structure of the project. Making this project without the use of Thermoweb's liquid vinyl may impact the results and fitting of your can cozy.